Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GoDaddy account, manage domains and hosting step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.godaddy.com and press enter. Once the GoDaddy homepage loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select sign in again from this menu. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, type your password. If you want to stay signed in on this device, check the box next to Keep Me Signed In. Click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, you will see your account dashboard. To manage domains, look for the Domains tab on the dashboard. Click on Domains to view all domains associated with your account. To manage hosting, look for the My Products option. Click on My Products to see your hosting plans and services. To access a specific domain, click on its name in the list. You'll find options like DNS settings, forwarding, and renewal. For hosting management, click on the hosting plan you want to access. This will take you to the hosting management interface. From here, you can manage your website files, databases, and settings. When you're finished, remember to log out for security reasons. To log out, click on your account name in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged in and managed your GoDaddy account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.